He is great.
You know what that
He's
is?
working all the time now.
No, sir. Oh, AMC.
It's a very rare car. It's an AMC Javelin. AMC wasn't around for a long time, but they had some very unique cars, very unique styles. Pretty cool. This body style was actually popular in Australia, of all things, but they called it something else. I think Mad Max drove something that looked like this in the original Mad Max movie. But yeah, they're definitely one of a kind. You don't see a whole lot of them out there.
The only one I remember being an AMC is the Pacer.
Yeah, right. And that was another weird car.
Right.
Yeah, they actually had the AMC Gremlin. People didn't know the Gremlin was an AMC, but
Okay.
yeah.
I heard of that name as well because that was before I was lit.
Weird, ugly car. It was like the cousin to the Pinto.
I heard of that before.
Yeah. This body style was to compete with that Buick right there, and anything like a GTO or Le Mans Chevelle. I think there was so these were all from the same class.
Wow.
Yeah, he really found it. He went out there, real big, and talked to him about what he was going to have around on the second day. And she said, well, I'll have to find out if somebody can take care of my kid. And he's like, oh, a kid? He said, Dad, I dated her for, he said, I went on my date with her. He's like, I